Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will make homemade edible clay. Okay, so clay. This thing is very expensive in the market, especially edible clay. In most of the markets we don't get edible clay, but today we will make edible clay. So I need a bowl first. Let me take it. So here is my bowl. Now we will need some biscuits. So I'm taking the biscuits also. You can use any biscuit. So here I have a small piece of biscuit. Now I will crush it with my hand. If you take soft biscuits, it would be more good. Or if you have hard biscuits, then you can grind it in the mixer. Here I am just crushing these. Yeah, need more. This one I need. Let me just crush these. And I need this part also. Sound is satisfying. Orbeez video can come, like making water balls with Orbeez. That video can come. Yeah, I'm not sure. There is a bad news. The slime and clay video will not come. Bad news. But I can tell you the recipe. Clay recipe first I'm telling. In the clay recipe you have to knead dough, add color, and it's like that. Yeah. Here I crushed these. See these crushed biscuits. And now we need water. So here you have a water bottle. I made a hole here with a pencil, and like this we will pour water. Not very much, little. Now we will mix with our hand, okay, not with a spoon. Apply a little effort, okay. If you just mix like this, then it will not form clay. I will not pause the video now, because many people can think that I am making fake videos, because most of the YouTubers do that, which I never do. Here I am just mixing them. I added more water, so I have to mix more or add more grinded biscuits or crushed biscuits. Guys, I really need 1K subscribers. Really need it, because a very good video will come, and it would be a live video, not a normal one. I have to mix it more with my hand, like this. Like this. So after this I will tell you some things which you can do according to the taste. Okay, first let us make the clay, the biscuit. Yeah, our clay is ready. If you feel it's very watery, then add more crushed biscuits. Or mix it very much like I did. Okay, we hate it. Let's mix it. Here. I'm just eating it one by one. Good taste. Yeah, it is fully ready. Now we will do some things according to the taste. So if you don't eat sugar, no need to do anything. It's done for you. If you like eating sugar, then add a little sugar, a grinded one, or just take sugar and water and mix them and give it there. And if you want some flavor, you can add chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, or chocolate Bonvita, chocolate Horlicks. Okay. It's looking good. I will not add anything because my biscuit is already sweet and I don't need some extra flavors. Here is our clay. You can eat it also and make it and play with it also. Actually, I discovered it when at 12 o'clock at night, when a call came and the video paused. Whatever. So here it's done for me. Now if you want to add some food coloring, then you can. I don't have food coloring, that's why I will not add. You can eat it also and play with it also whenever you want. Oh, what I was telling was you can. Oh, I was just making a not making. At 12 o'clock I was very hungry and there was no food except biscuits. So I just wanted to have grinded biscuits with water and use this thing like the filling in the biscuits. So by that only I discovered that it's clay. It formed clay. Yeah, real clay. No need to store it in an airtight container. Just keep it on a clean place. That's it. Okay. Because if you don't keep it on a clean place, you can't eat it. So let's eat it. Here it is, looking good. Good. Oh, you can add some almonds, grinded almonds, or little broken almonds. Really good recipe. and because of my mixing, the pieces of the biscuits which were, you know, not fully broken, those broke with just mixing like this. Wow, really good. Let me eat the whole thing. Ha! It can be a really good food recipe also. Excuse me. Yeah, it can be a good food recipe also. Bye guys. Have a nice day today.